Hi, welcome back. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys about the things I bought during Black Friday, which was a lot of things, as I'm sure many of us did. Anyways, this first company I actually already talked about in my winter holiday favorites because I ordered it during their Black Friday promotion. So I'm going to show you guys them now. Aren't these so freaking cool? These are literally just loose glitters. And I'll link that video for you guys from Glitter Lambs. They're an amazing company. And they just have so many different loose glitters. They sell out really fast, just a warning. So go follow them on Instagram if you like their stuff. And turn on post notifications, that way you don't miss any restock information, so you're there ASAP. But this stuff is so unique, so cool, and so different from anything I've ever seen from even just glitter companies. So I'm in love and I love this. And this one, oh my gosh, while it's definitely different. I think I'm going to use this for in a Valentine's Day mani, which is why I bought it, because that was what was on my mind. Look at all those glitters. So yeah, I'm going to have it all linked below. Definitely follow them on Instagram and all that stuff. The next company I ordered from was Revel Nail, and I honestly couldn't even tell you the order in which I placed my orders. I just know they had a Black Friday early access sale. They had an actual Black Friday sale which lasted about 5 days, and then they had their weekend sale, and then their Cyber Monday sale, and then their 12 days of Revel sale. It was just so much going on at so many different times. But I purchased these stocking stuffers. I had them from last year, but I had them in 1 ounce, so I actually got rid of those and I repurchased them in 1/2 ounce because I wanted to save on space in my collection. So I just basically downsized and repurchased them. Okay, so here are some of the colors that I purchased during their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. I'm going to zoom real quick. So Tiara is an absolutely gorgeous and stunning glitter. I was surprised I didn't have it already. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is doing it literally no justice. So I'll show you guys swatches. But Dreamer, which is one of their holochromes, when I got them last year, one of them got lost in my package, so I didn't actually get it. Cherish is one of their luxe glitters from Glitter Fest. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that sheen. Oh. Affair was another one of their luxe glitters. It's very rose goldy, in my opinion, with some green in it. It's really pretty. Fairytale, another one of their luxe glitters from Glitter Fest. This one I've seen quite a few people wear, and I'm always mesmerized when I see it on their manis, so I knew I had to add it to my Black Friday list. A lot of these colors I waited till Black Friday to purchase, even though I could have purchased them sooner because I knew it was going to be on sale. So here is Tutu. Isn't that another gorgeous? It's basically the pink version of Fairytale, in my opinion. And then here was their Cyber Monday freebie, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And then this is their Black Friday freebie. Black Friday number 2 freebie is actually, it is their early access sale one, which I don't know where I put that jar at, but I have it for sure. So another company I purchased from was Soul Dip, and I'm pretty sure I added one of these into my holiday favorites. It's Soul Dip. She has amazing, beautiful colors. She has sales every once in a while, so it's definitely worth checking out her Instagram and signing up for her email list to know when the sales are happening. So Gem, Carol of the Bells, and Lady Sparkles, which is insanely gorgeous. So let me show you those swatches. It was these 3 colors. I really am in love with these colors. They're so beautiful. I also purchased from Young Nails during the sale that they had. It was a 30% site-wide sale, and they also had mystery boxes for $30. So some of the things I purchased from their website was obviously my favorite protein bond that I use under all my builder gel nails and gel nails. So this stuff is amazing. It's so much cheaper on their website than it is on Amazon. So I got 2 bottles of that to last me throughout the year, hopefully until next Black Friday. And then in it came all these gels. So I got mystery box B, I believe it was, In it came so many different gel polishes. So you can see there was like a huge variety. So basically it was $30 for $100 worth of product. I checked on their website to see what the retail value of these were, and it definitely was $100 worth of product. So I'm going to take these out of their containers now. So they also sent a gel base and a gel top coat, which I was very appreciative of. I need to do a test on one of my nails to see if I'm allergic to them or not. I don't know yet, so I will keep you guys updated if I do end up being allergic. I know a lot of people share the same allergies as me, so that information is very important. But these colors are so beautiful. So like this one is a pearl color. It's a pearly white. It is so stunning. I need to swatch these, to be honest. This one is a metallic red. Isn't that so freaking gorgeous? Is this how people do it? Is this how like the famous, really big YouTubers do it? They're just like, oh my god, look at that. I'm being weird. And then like, let's see. This one is, it says it's a glitter effect. So I don't know what the fuck that means. Maybe it's a topper. Oh yeah, it looks like a topper. Oh, that's pretty. Hello, gorgeous. So I know I can actually wear toppers over top of my dip manis, and I did that. Oh, there's my other protein bond. Hey, I was wondering where that went. Yellow. I don't like yellow. But it looks different than that does, so it looks more mustardy under the camera or under my light in real life than it does on the label. The label looks more like a neon yellow that I don't like. So actually these are just really cute. Let me see this denim one. Oh, look. Gorgeous. Ugh, I love blue. It's my favorite color. Okay, I'm going to move these out of the way and move to the next brand. I ordered so much from Sparkle & Co. during their 2-week holiday Black Friday sale. So much so that 2 of my packages are still on their way here. But you know what? I'm just going to get with the times and show you guys everything that I got. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to start with the one that I got yesterday. So their Home for the Holidays collection is 6 new exclusive colors. And it was 50, 40 something. It was... I feel like it was like in the 50s range, but I got 40% off, so it was like in the 30s range after I had done and paid. But here are the gorgeous colors that came with that collection. I am in love, especially these 2. Sorry, I was briefly interrupted. But I also got in my freebie of that order, Santa Cole Fierce. They were giving out freebies. These were from a couple years ago, I think, like 2 years ago. So these were being added as freebies. There was 4 different colors to your orders. So moving on to the next one. Hello. Oh, look at that sticker, so cute. They just write a little cute card. Here's more freebie. It came in the cute pink box. It's so gorgeous. I love these boxes. So which freebie is this one? Mistletoe Fierce. I'm excited to see what freebie my other ones come with. So this one looks to be more green. Wait, why do these... Oh, no, they're not the same. I almost freaked out. So this one has a black base, and this one is green base. So they're kind of the same, but not really. Okay, so I ordered the $54 set. In it came... I have to hide that code. And it came an $18 credit to Sparkle & Co. That was kind of like what you paid for. And 3 liquids, so your base, your activator, and your top coat. I could always do with more liquids. It also came with 3 dip powders. Yes. And it came, I ordered the swatches separately, I believe. They sell swatches to their website for $1.50 each. So these gorgeous colors are going to come out on January 1st if you didn't have the opportunity to snag it on Black Friday. But they're super stunning. I really love this shimmery red. Classy and fabulous. sparkle into the new year. That's really nice. They always do great confetti colors for New Year's. And this is a gorgeous champagne gold. Bring on the bubbly. Also ordered from Bad Kitty Dips. Unfortunately, USPS has taken my package hostage, so that order is not being shown today. But I will be showing you guys the swatches of the colors that I purchased because they're so gorgeous and I feel like they deserve to be shown. So I'm going to show you guys those colors right now, and I really love that order. I'm just really desperately waiting for it to show up. But I wanted to get this video up before Black Friday became like a faint memory in the distance that you were like, what? Why are you talking about Black Friday?